Hello friends, today I am going to explain you lens not attached error on Nikon or Canon camera. First of all, we need to identify error occurring device, whether body or lens. I hope to attach new lens for this to identify particular error. You can see there are no errors. It means this camera body is very good condition and lens also same. It means our old lens has some mistake or some error. Most error occurring due to the oxides on mounting connectors. You can see such connectors here. So I hope to clean them using low gauge sandpaper. You can do it slowly, just like this, by rubbing here and there. You can do it several times, and it is compulsory to clean after brushing because some metallic oxides are here. Now I hope to remove new lens. You can see. Now I hope to mount my old and cleaned camera lens. If you have any camera body error, you can clean here. You can see it just like this, mounting connectors. You can connect it just like this. You can see there are no errors found in camera and lens. You can use your camera lens without any failure. So I hope to get some photo. You can see it is working very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates.